Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Oh, do you see what I have? Oh my gosh, I just got this, I actually got this box last night, but I was not able to record until this morning. This is the Simply Gilded subscription box for the month of, let me see, September. If I'm not mistaken, it's September. So let's take a look, you guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you the mystery item, but I'm gonna leave that at the end, okay? And I'm gonna let you know before I show it to you. So if you don't want to look, you don't have to, okay? So this is the, okay, what is this called? Okay, this box is called Moon Drops. Oh my gosh, I am super excited. Okay, let's start for the little things. Let's see. Let's get the card. Let's get this right here. All right, so this is the A5 Stitch Binding Notebook. And this is a collaboration with Annie Plants. And, oh, Annie Plants Printables. That's her name right here. And if I'm not mistaken, you can go and get some free printables from her. Or maybe you have to pay. I can't remember exactly. But they look really nice. So this A5, it's actually a planner, you guys. Let me show you. Where are my scissors? Oh, I just had them here. Okay. So let me show you. If you don't want to look, close your eyes, okay? Oh, there's my scissors over there, the little ones. I usually don't open the notebooks until I'm ready to use them. But this one, oh, this one's actually a weekly planner, you guys. Look at, you have Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And you can add the washi here. You can write down your week. This is nice. And this is the A5. I think you have enough for, let me see, how many, a couple weeks at least. I mean, a couple months at least. Let me see how many weeks, okay? 1, 2. Okay, so you have 15 weeks. So let's say if you're thinking 5 weeks per month, you have 3 months here. Or 3 months and 3 weeks if you're doing 4 weeks. So yeah, this is nice. The colors here are beautiful. The foil is beautiful too. All right, so that's the first item. Let's see what else. Oh, the stickers. Okay, you want to take a look at the stickers? Let's see. All right, I couldn't save that plastic. All right, so we have our typical icon sheet right here. They're little heart stickers, okay, with foil. We have the numbers. Oh, this is beautiful. This is like the shattered glass foil. This is gorgeous. Then we have a box sheet with tiny little icons here and checklist. Now, instead of getting bows, we got this moon crest, I guess. Oh my gosh. Very, very pretty. And these ones are clear. Oops. Looks so delicate too. All right, that's beautiful. Now the kit is 2 pages here. We have 3 weeks for days of the week here. Okay, we have boxes, full boxes. We have some washi headers. Rocky, please excuse my pups. He is old and he's like, I don't know what's getting him nervous, but anyways. So yeah, beautiful like always. Look at that. And this is her typical setup, okay? All of the stickers, this is her typical sticker kit. Except usually we get the bows, but this time we got the moons. All right, next. Okay, next we have some vellum sticky notes. I actually don't own a oil-based pen, which is what you need to write on this vellum sheets or notes, sticky notes. Let's take a look. This is like a gray, very pretty, beautiful. Let me see if anything that I have would write. Okay, so the Erin Condren fine markers, they work. And let me see. If the Simply Gilded pen would work. Yep, they do work. I don't know if they smear, and I'm not gonna try them right now because I don't want my fingers to be dirty, but those two work right there. All right, sticky notes. Now let me show you this big item right here. Okay, so this is is this an album? I forgot, let me see. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is like a medium gray, I would say, with the constellations. No, not constellations. Where are these? The zodiac signs, maybe? I'm not sure, you guys, but it's beautiful. It has a pink. Okay, so the finish here is kind of usually her pouches and things are not like this. This finish is kind of bad here. See the wrinkles, but it's the inside. I mean, nobody's gonna see that, right? So it's a pouch. It has this beautiful like peachy pink on the inside. Oh, let me see if the A5 is gonna fit here. Yeah, because this is big. I think everything's gonna fit here. And you have the D-ring for your charms. Okay, so this is pretty. I just don't know if I'm gonna use this. I really don't have a use for this one, but it's gorgeous nonetheless. Now let's see, I'm gonna show you the washi. And I do get, okay, so this is the journaling card. Beautiful. And this is a coupon for Annie Plants printables. So we'll check out her site. We have the pen. Oh, it's a dark gray. And it has like a glitter background with the same stars and constellations. I don't even know what that is. Same pen that she always gives us. There you go. I hope that she, like, starting next year, if she's gonna give us a pen every year, every box, that we get different color ink, because her pens are beautiful, but they're all black. And I can only use so many black pens. There we go. All right, so I choose to get the washi with the extension, like the add-on. So let's start with, let's see what matches here. Let's start with the big. We have like a gradient gray to like a lighter gray moons. There you go. We also have the same gradient background with the hollow bows. Now we have, oh, the same design as this with like the little charms and stuff, in a pink and gray. Oh, this is Nice, that's nice. Oh, here's another 15. It's a blue color background with the stars. Now the smaller washi here. Oh, this is pretty. It has the gradient background with little hearts and stars. No hearts. Yes, there is hearts. No. It looks like it has hearts and stars, you guys. That is so pretty. And then we have the days of the week and the shattered glass foil, and the moons. And actually the moons are in a pinkish foil. Now the add-on is this right here, this 4. I think this is 5mm. You have the tiny bows, you have stars, and you have moons here, and you have the color block with the shatter. Okay, so now for this right here. So now this item right here, you guys, oh my gosh, it's for the washing. This is a washi stand. Oh, let me show you. It has this gorgeous thing. I know this has a protective film, but I cannot get it, you guys. Oh, there it goes. I got it. Whew. It's so reflective. I don't know if the back is supposed to be like this or not. This is like a frosted back, and there you have the shiny side. So what you're supposed to do is you thread this little elastic piece, and you add the little teardrop. Oh, so pretty. Okay, so let me put it together. I'm gonna leave it on this side just so I can show you. I just did it like this to show you. I'm gonna fix it, okay, when I have more time, but it looks so pretty. So what this is meant to do is you store your washi. So once you open your washi, you store it like this. Oops. You know, like that. Pile it up, put the base down, and there you have your washi stand. Oh, it's so pretty. Pretty. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So this is the box, you guys. I'm gonna show you the mystery item. So if you don't want to see that, I will say goodbye to you. Hope that you enjoy this video, and I'll see you on the next one, okay? So let's move on to the mystery item now. Bye. Okay, guys, so now that we're back, I gave you some time to not look, okay? So this is the mystery item right here. These are 2 pen loops. Oh my gosh, yes. Because you know what? I just ordered the Erin Condren Petite Planner and the folio. And I am gonna use this there. So we have one with the moon and the stars and one with the bow. And this one's gray and this is blue. I'm not gonna unstick it because I don't want to try it yet until I get my petite folio from EC. Oh yeah, okay, you can see that the adhesive is right here. You can see that you just peel this right here and then you stick it. All right, so that is the mystery item. I'm happy I got this because I will need it for my petite folio. I'm happy with what we got in this box. I have so much washi to play with, and there you go. And the whole, I mean, her boxes are beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I feel like we need more stickers. We had at least another, like a full box, I mean a full page of boxes, because we do have the 3 weeks, but we don't have enough to, you know, decorate our 3 weeks. So all right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.